Hey hi, this is JP Tarot and today I am gonna do a relationship reading and you will have to choose. I have laid out all the cards and you will, for your ease, there are so many cards you can't choose from this laid out cards, so I have a choice. I have two choices for you, and this is Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. Don't see the signs, swords and cups. Okay, you choose the one you are most attracted towards. Okay, so you have pile 1, pile 2. Pause the video, choose from any of from both of these, any one. Okay, and you have your reading ahead. Pile 1, you are up. You have nine of nine of wands, so you are in a very defensive mode right now, because you are expecting a stable person or stable offer in your life. You are expecting a stable relationship and you want a 10 of cups. You want a stable happily ever after life with your person, whereas your person is very much passionate about you. But why I was saying you are defensive, in a defensive mode, because you are expecting more, your person is giving less, because he is either he is very meeting you each and every day, he is spending time with you, but he is not committing in a um, stable manner. Means you want to marry him, you want a solid proposal, but he is just into courtship, wants to meet you, kiss you, hug you. This is enough for him. You are thinking like this, because might be your person is either already in a happily ever after marriage or relationship, or there might be a two type of case. Okay, I might be, if he is unmarried, he is still happy in his life. Might be spending with time with you is a very great thing for him. Okay, so he is happy with that, and he is not very much keen about taking decision for the future. Let's enjoy these moments. Okay, so you are expecting stable relationship, but he is very much passionate about you, and his passion is stable for you. He is very passionate, but his passion is very much stable for you, and he wants a solid foundation with you. Okay, he wants a very solid foundation with you, but since he is not offering something stable, you might have cut off with him, or you are not meeting him anymore. You have hibernated, you have just hide yourself from him because you are confused, and you are very much hurt that he is meeting you, but each and every day, but he is not confessing, not giving any solid proposal to you. So you are just healing, you are resting, you are dealing with yourself, um, your emotions. Okay, and see, since you are not meeting them anymore like before, might be you are meeting but not so frequently, and this is making them unhappy. Someone is feeling left out, but might be you are feeling left out because he is not offering something solid to you. So the outcome is Five of Pentacles. You both are unhappy, but nobody is going to leave. Okay, might be your person is unmarried, and he want but you are expecting more, or he will take time. There is a matter of time, so check out whether he is married or unmarried, the reason for he is not offering you something solid. And if he is unmarried, then best of luck for your future, because your guy wants a stable foundation with you. His passion for you is stable, don't worry for that. Okay, because you have a 10 of cup like energy from his side. Might be he is very happy these days, enjoying his life with you. Okay, so then don't take the negative aspect of things. So do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get future notification of my future readings. Okay, um, love and light. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, yeah. Now pile number 2, you are up. Let me arrange this card a bit near because they are too far for you. Okay. So pile 2. Right now you are very passionate about your person. You are passing through a wish fulfillment like moment because you have achieved something, right? And but it's your partner's energy, but your guy is not looking, is looking confused, literally confused. Why he is confused? Because he is also expecting something from you, but you have achieved something already and you have a wish fulfillment, but your guy is not is confused. He is expecting from what he is expecting from this relationship. Might be he is expecting something which you are not giving to them. Might be he is not happy with the situation. It's like one person is very happy, they are passionate about something, they have got success and their wish has fulfilled, but the other person is not happy with that condition. Might be someone a job like condition or something. Someone has though you are passionate about things, but your person is like he is not satisfied with the condition. Okay, it doesn't mean that your person is jealous of you. It means it's not a career reading, it's a relationship reading. So overall energy is someone is happy, someone is upset. Why is upset? Because he is expecting something and the current situation is not appropriate. He is not happy with this relationship. What you need to do is um, you will have to see let me see this card. So because he is not happy, he is very quarreling, he is very he is in a very fighting mood, he is abusive. Might be he is verbally abusive right now, it might be a case. So his might be he is very verbally abusive right now, he is fighting, he is very quarreling, and so he is not happy. And both of you guys, this is a relationship card, so both of you are not happy. So you need to be defensive in an offensive manner. Okay, I'm sensing in defensive in a sense. Offensive manner means protect your relationship, at the same time don't take the shits. Okay, respect yourself. But the good thing is the outcome is very positive. They want a new beginning with you, so they want a stable new beginning with you. So there is nothing wrong in the relationship. Do care about your person's emotion. Okay, from either side. Okay, if he is not caring, be defensive in a offensive manner. Means don't break relationship, at the same time don't take their shit. Okay, and if he is not happy, do care about his emotion, why he is not happy. Might be you are not giving them that quality time you have spent before, and they are reminiscing their old days and they are not happy that situation has been changed. for them, so they are not happy. So look into the matter. That's and you have new beginning with your person. Don't worry for them. You have a stable beginning with your person. The outcome is positive, so be happy. And this is your reading. So do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and to get hit the notification bell to get notification of my future readings. Okay, and this is all what I have for you, pile number 2. So it's okay, do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.